How do you fix the situation or problem where the iPhone is not compatible with the app? So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So if you open up the App Store right here, you might look up some apps, and if it doesn't work for you, what you could do is to tap on your profile icon. So for me, it is this like picture in the top right corner. This pulls up this mode, and I can go to the apps and purchase history. And the whole point is that I can go back in time and explore the apps which I downloaded in the past. So if I currently don't have the ability to download like the latest version of the app, if I used it before, I can go in here and find like the previous version which was available and re-download this one. So even though you're not going to be running the latest one, it is still something, and actually it's better than nothing, right? So that's something which you can most definitely do. You should know, if I should give you an example, if you are familiar with the Etsy it's like a platform, right? Marketplace, so there is the Etsy app you can download for purchasing, which is the orange one. And there is also the Etsy seller, which is the blue one, right? But in the past, what I used to have on my phone was an application which is called Sell on Etsy. And it's important because if I pull up another phone in here and go to my profile in here like this and go to the apps history, you can see that if I look up the Etsy right here, it's going to give me more options, right? So there is the orange one, the blue one, and also the white one, which no longer exists, right? So as you can see, the Sell on Etsy is an app which is no longer available on the App Store, right? It simply doesn't exist. They took it down, but I still have the ability to download it on my phone just because I used it in the past. Right, so you can see if I tap on it, it doesn't even show up in the App Store, but I can click on the cloud icon. It is going to download from the internet, and I can actually open it and start using it, right? So as you can see, even though it's not compatible, it doesn't work anymore, I can still get the older versions of apps, and that's exactly what I wanted to show you in this video. So I hope it helped. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.